Wow, that's just amazing. I mean, did you see the size of these logs? It really gives you a new appreciation for the work and technology that goes into producing usable lumber for woodworking. Welcome in, friends. This video is going to be a little bit different than most woodworking videos, but I think you will enjoy it. I'm going to give you my reaction on a video to the world's largest sawmill. The video is titled, "Inside the Largest Wood Sawmill Factory, How Plywood is Made from Logs to Table, Full Process." This video was published just over 5 months ago, and it already has 15 million views. Now, you don't get those kinds of numbers by accident, so this must be pretty amazing. Let's check it out. Alright, that is a pretty big log. One log for an entire 18-wheeler. It's almost hard to believe. I mean, look at this thing. It looks like a giant redwood, which I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to chop those down. Beautiful wood. Some really high-tech equipment here to optimize the best way to cut this log. I think what's most surprising on these large logs is that even though you can see the blades cutting and material just flying everywhere, the log itself remains the same. I guess it's just so big that we can't really see the changes from a distance. And the way the trees seem to completely transform in shape and size from one scene to the next is crazy. Even the equipment is so specialized that you don't ever see the same machine twice. I really just had no idea how massive the machinery could be. Honestly, I have never seen anything like this. What a great watch. Really cool stuff. Let me know in the comments what was the most interesting part for you. Okay people, I'm not a moron. Obviously this is AI slop, but admit it, you commented before you got to this point, didn't you? It would seem the AI slop revolution has made it to woodworking on YouTube. But this AI slop video has gotten over 15 million views in just over 5 months. Now, I have little doubt that some of the views come from bots or paid views, but the vast majority do not. Most views come from regular people not being able to resist clicking on obviously AI thumbnails with intriguing titles. I'm not going to give you the name of this channel because I hate to see it getting any extra traffic, but just know that this entire channel is filled with the same AI garbage. They have published almost 100 videos, with most of them uploaded on the same couple of days about 5 months ago. So how could they possibly have accomplished that? Well, I'll tell you. They reuse the same AI content across multiple channels. You can see the exact same video we just watched on a different channel with a different thumbnail, except the thumbnail got a paint job. All they did was ask ChatGPT to change the color of the machine on the thumbnail and voila, new video for a new channel. Sure. This particular group of channels, of which there are about a dozen clones, seem to be based out of India. So, I mean, I guess producing AI slop to generate clicks and make money is better than making millions of calls and scamming unsuspecting cable and phone customers, but not by a whole lot. And it's still really annoying for people who just want to watch real content. And it's also really, really annoying for small content creators like myself just trying to make honest, helpful, maybe even entertaining videos, and at the same time, hopefully make a few extra dollars. And speaking of money, and maybe I'm just a little jealous, but these videos make a lot of money. This one video with 15 million views that we just watched, if this were on my channel based on my metrics, this video would have made me about $75,000. I mean, should I just pivot to AI slop? Is that what you people want? I'll do it. I'm for sale. Now, I don't know for sure what this channel earns per 1,000 views, but a pretty conservative estimate is that they've made at least $30,000 just in the few months that they've had these videos published. Just in the last 30 days, this channel has almost 3 million views, which could be somewhere between $5,000 to $15,000, just depending on their metrics. And that's just this one channel. Remember, they have multiple clone channels using the exact same AI slop. Now, it's entirely possible that this channel could be demonetized or has been already, but they're just going to repeat the process and do it again and again, uploading 50 videos at a time using AI slop to make money. So is there anything you can do about channels like this? Well, yeah, sort of. You can click the 3 little dots for any channel or video and say don't recommend this channel. You could even report it to YouTube so that it picks up that it's AI faster, because YouTube does say they're trying to crack down on the AI stuff. But after exposing myself to these channels, you wouldn't really know it from my suggested videos. They are everywhere. And I'm not trying to be mean here or take away someone's livelihood or anything like that, but it's just low effort AI garbage recycled over and over again. And ultimately it hurts content creators and viewers as well. Now, to give some viewers credit, and I hope you are one of those viewers, they were able to catch that it was AI. When you look at the comments, plenty of people are pointing out that it's AI. And you even have some pretty funny comments, such as this one, "No trees were harmed in the making of this video." That's pretty good. There are also some other comments which I suspect are paid engagement tactics because they are obviously copy and pasted, and they're really pretty funny. They read exactly like a testimonial you would see on a scam website. I mean, look at this. A real viewer does not write something like this. But despite that, comments of any kind, whether you're pointing out that it's AI slop or it's some ridiculous over-the-top positive review, do help videos to get views and pushed by the algorithm. So feel free to hate watch and hate comment on this video. Would I prefer nice comments? Well, yeah, but anything is welcome. Okay, at this point, I am kind of rambling, so I will wrap this up. When you are scrolling YouTube, it's okay to be a little suspicious, maybe even a lot suspicious, because right now, across all genres, it's the Wild West out there with AI garbage, and the woodworking community is not immune to it. But the more people that resist clicking on videos like this, the more it gets buried by the algorithm, leaving more eyeballs and time for real channels like this one. I can confidently say, and this is my promise to you, that if every video I published made me $75,000, I would make more than 2 videos every year. And who doesn't want to see that? That said, until that happens, you can do your part by subscribing, commenting, and liking this video to push those 15 million views to me instead of some AI slop channel. Thanks in advance.